Hi guys, it's Kaz back 54321 here with my first LEGO review of the LEGO City Fire Truck. So here's the box. It's set 60002, ages 5 to 12. So that's the box, and here we have the instruction manual there. Still got pieces left in it. So what I'll do is I'll show you the minifigures first. So here we go. First we have one of the officers. There's his torso printing and his leg printing there. He's also got his face, but unfortunately he's got a double-sided face. He's got one of those cool fireman helmets. And we have the chief, with the quite interesting torso there, as well. Legs, back. He hasn't got a double-sided face either. And then you have the fireman's helmet. So now I will show you the fire truck, which is right here. This is very good set. I like this one because of the size of the fire truck as well. I like that. So first, you've got these poles. See these poles here? They're around this side as well. It's for the minifigures to hold on to. So if you have more, if you have 2 in front and other 4, you can just stick them on here. So they stick on like that. Oops, oh wait. So yeah, and in here we have the apparatus, and we have the hose that attaches to the hose. I'll show you that in a minute. And the water piece right there. That's just the box for everything to go in. As I said, I'll show you the hose. So there it is. You can pull it out. It's like on a rope. You can see that there, and you just attach that piece on to there, and you put the water on, and then you've got the hose. So got that. You just roll this back in, and you're not all it's there. You also get a radio right there, and get a spanner, chainsaw, an axe, and also a fire extinguisher. So the next piece is the ladder, which is extendable and it turns like there. As I said, it's extendable, so it goes up like that, which I liked as well. Except if you're on if you've got a Lego building and there's a fire on top, you just put that up. It's easy. As I said, 2 people can fit in the front. I'll show you that. 2 seconds. And there you go, 2 in the front. And also, well, I don't use this piece too much, but it's this part's like the water and there's also a piece here that connects onto that piece, and then it connects onto there, then we get the water. So thank you guys for watching. As I said, it's my first LEGO review, but I will be getting more up, and I hope to get them up soon. So thanks for watching this, and like, subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye.